Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change name on Mico. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Mico application. Make sure you are logged into your Mico account. Now tap on the B option which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on your displayed name. Then tap on the paper and pencil icon. Tap on the nickname option. Now delete your previous name and then enter a new name. Once you are done, tap on the tick button which is at the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can change name on Mico. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.